In primetime news this evening, United States to review travel advisory on Jamaica. PNP defends budget proposals. And St. Jago High clears the air on school challenge quiz withdrawal.
And good evening and welcome to this abbreviated edition of Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Archie. Well, you know it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices and Jamaica's trade deficit narrows.
Thanks, Lugg. And Giovanni Dennis has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you so much, Archibald. Well, actions are getting fiery on the track at the National Stadium. One record broken so far at Champs. I'll have the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio's visit to Jamaica? You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center. Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.